These AI baby dragon videos going viral right now on YouTube. And this is the best part today, you can be one of them. Because today in this video, I am going to explain how to make these type of videos using AI and completely free 100%. All you need to do is watch until the very end and don't skip anything. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, you need this master prompt. You will find its link in description. When you paste this prompt into chatgpt, now we will wait and chatgpt will generate 10 video ideas for us. These ideas help us to process the video much easier and faster. And here are the ideas. We have to choose from them. For example, I will type 3 and press send. And now chatgpt will generate everything we need. It provides us an image prompt and a video prompt. Once you had all the prompts ready, copy the image prompt. Now come to Flow AI. Here choose create image, choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here and hit generate. And look, our image is ready. Now let's turn it into video. Choose create video and frame to video here. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the video prompt from chatgpt and paste it here. Hit generate. And within seconds, our video is ready. Take a look. It looks exactly the kind of video we want. Save it. Here's another one I had created using the same method. So that's the full method. So start creating today and grow your account. Thanks for watching, my friends. I really appreciate your time. We will meet soon in next video. Until then, create these videos and be creative. Bye-bye.